Hi, and welcome to Talk Fusion. Are you ready to say goodbye to boring old emails and hello to video email? Let me show you how to send your very first one. First, let's log into your Talk Fusion account. See that button up in the top left that says Send a Video Email? Click it. Choose a template. There are over 20,000 templates in all kinds of styles and many languages. Birthday greetings, business follow-ups, holiday vibes, you name it. I'll pick one called Great Meeting You. Give your video email a name so you can find it later. Then create a subject line. That's what pops up in your recipient's inbox. Let's put, "Nice to meet you, Bob." And in the message box, you can type a quick personal note if you'd like. Okay, who's getting this message? You can add a brand new contact, choose someone from your address book, or send it to a whole group. I'll add Bob's info here. Done. And the best part, it saves automatically. Now let's add your video. You can upload one you already recorded, choose one from your Talk Fusion library, or just hit record and make one on the spot with your phone, tablet, or computer. Something simple works great, like, "Hey Bob, it was nice meeting you. Can't wait to chat again soon." Almost done. Double check your details. Add your social media links if you want people to connect with you there too. Then hit send, or if you'd rather, schedule it to go out later. With real-time tracking, you can see exactly what happens after you click send. Go to My Video Emails, click the three little dots, and choose View Stats. You'll know who opened it, when they watched, and how long they stayed tuned in. And that's it. You just sent your first video email. It's simple, fast, and fun. Now you're ready to stand out in the inbox with Talk Fusion.